baby. How you gonna do it? How you gonna do it? I'm doing good. So this is another Fashion Nova haul. I'm wearing two of the pieces now, but as it does work a little bit better, I'm going to be trying on the pieces for you and going to be talking like this because it just works better with angling it down so you can see the whole outfit. So this one that you will see, this super did I say super soft crop top with these shorts are just perfect for summer or whatever day of the week. They are a little bit big on my waist, but I know that I can shrink them a little. And then this little crop top cami is perfect to have for whatever. Then this skirt here was a little bit big on my waist, but it's super cute, so I'm gonna make it work. It has the zipper up in the front, and it's even cute like here too with like a crop, or you can wear like a bodysuit underneath and keep it like simple as like one whole outfit. But I am all here for the army green. This is one of my favorite colors. Then this tie-dye dress just screamed my name. If you didn't see it already on my Instagram, I posted a picture because it was so cute. Right when I got it, I had to. But it is tie-dye and it has like all the colors that are my favorite that I love, like army green, black, a little bit of nude, and it's like a hippie tie-dye vibe, but it's so soft. This material is just suave. Okay, this little dress was absolutely one of my favorites. It was a little tight down here, but we're gonna make it work. It zips here on the side and it's like a really nice material, but it's the kind that you don't wanna wear this and then go eat a buffet. You want to wear this when you are having a slim drink water, lemon water, and eat chia seeds type of day. Because honey, she was snug bug bug. So we are going to keep her for a nice cute little picture and then we'll take her off. And that same goes for this one. This two-piece with the skirt and the top was so cute. It does zip, but it's the same material. We're gonna keep her for a picnic day where we're going to take some of our water, our matcha tea, and we're going to sip and take pictures and look cute because honey, it's adorable, but it is. Okay, now this I had to get because this is like a perfect photo shoot up here. This is like a great photo shoot bikini with the chains and the little stud in the front, so it really shows like some, you know, pop in action. And I love black and gold, black and yellow, black and yellow. So this is going to be a photo shoot bikini. And then you put the lime and the coconut into you. Another one of my favorites, this lemon lime bikini. It's so cute. It's very teeny weeny. I think it even said on the description, tiny vacation bikini, and they're not lying there. Along with this same one, same material, very tiny but it's really good to tan thy keikis. Not keikis as in kids here in Hawaii, but keikis. So we're going to be tanning the keikis. This is another good photo shoot one. It's like a very pretty sparkly material. So I had an idea with this little jacket. You guys are probably thinking like, that is not a jacket, honey, that is a sleevelet. Well, yes, it is just the sleeves, but it's called Style, sis. Well, so this will be probably honestly just for a photo shoot, and it has some really cute diamonds, so I was like, I'm all here for it. Anyways, that wraps up today's summer haul. Getting into summer, especially here, it's super hot. Thankfully I do have AC, but I have it off right now for the love of you, so you can hear me. But that wraps up this one. Next one, I'm thinking we're going to do a full bikini haul for coming into summer, so you can have some different ideas. And that's it. I will see you all soon. I love you. Ting, ting, baby.